Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can fix the Snapchat code SS11. So the first thing you want to do is go to the App Store, then tap on search, and you want to search for Snapchat. Okay, once you have found Snapchat, you can see there it says update. Okay, if you see the update button, you want to go ahead and press the update button, and what that can do is get rid of some bugs that may be within the Snapchat app, and then see if that fixes your problem. But first you want to hop out of the Play Store, then you want to go to settings, scroll all the way down until you find apps, tap on apps, and I'm just going to search for the Snapchat app. Once you have found Snapchat, you want to tap onto it, then you want to scroll down and then click on storage, and then you can see right here, so let me click on storage again. You can see right there it says clear cache. You want to go ahead and press clear cache. This can also get rid of any sort of bugs that may be within your Snapchat app currently. And then you can go out, and then you can see if that fixes Snapchat code SS11. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.